Okay, so this idea sort of popped into my head one day.
And it's a super awesome one, by the way.
Yeah. Now, we all receive gifts on Christmas, right?
Yep.
Wrong. Because one guy never does. And he is actually the most important guy of the holidays.
That's why this Christmas, we're giving him the best present ever.
Surprise! This baby has 118 microsensors.
Not only help you to pinpoint your exact geographical location, but manage all kinds of data, like speed, the weather, temperature, wind shear.
Great! Through weather-based big data services, you will now be up to speed on real-time weather conditions around the world.
Wow, imagine that. So then everything's gonna be smooth sailing from now on?
Then what are we supposed to do?
Oh, and you'll be heading to China too, won't you? Big cities, like 1 billion people and cars. But don't you worry. We'll key in your data in our central traffic network and prepare an exclusive route just for you on Christmas.
Fantastic! Now you can travel during the day, not just at night.
Now, we all know that you are great with presents. But there have been a couple of times that when I tore into a gift and just felt a little...
Torn up?
You too, huh?
Well, sort of.
But it's all right, because now you can easily know what everyone likes.
Oh boy. I can't wait for Christmas.
One last thing. This sleigh can accurately locate and fix on a target within 3 seconds. All you need to do is this. Yes!
Wow! Is that cool or what? And all from the comfort of your sleigh. Dude, this is the greatest gift ever made.
So Santa, if all this sounds great to you, reach out to us and take this baby home.
So, I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Great.
All right.